everyone. Today I would like to show you how do we create graph, okay, from the exercise that we have done in our class. So this time we are using Mr. Teo case project. So as you know, we have created one formatted table from Mr. Teo. This is the file. Okay, this is Mr. Teo's spreadsheet, the one that we have created earlier. From here, we will learn how to create table. So our end product, I'm aiming for us to be able to do something like this, where we added more spreadsheets, okay, more sheets, and then we will learn how to create graph. Okay, so first thing first, back to this. When we have a table, okay, let's look at this main table. Okay, we managed to cram up all the text. Okay, this is text wrap. We change the text wrap so it looks like this, so we can save more space, you know, like it's easier for us to refer to the numbers and the table header like this as compared to this one, okay, where you have everything all in one lines, and sometimes the information will spread through till the end, and it will be very difficult for us to look at the column that we want. So how do we do from here? How do we change this to this? Okay, these are among the things that we have learned in earlier of the class. I just want to repeat this lesson with you. Okay, it's very simple. Select the cell. Okay, select the cell that you want to change the formatting of the cell. Okay, sorry, my PC is a bit slow. Again, select the cell, right click on the selected area, on the shaded area, and let's go to format cell. Okay, from format cell, go to alignment. Okay, here is for number, where we change the decimal places and all. Okay, percentage. Okay, here we go to alignment. Alignment mostly are being used for text. Okay, and click text wrap. Okay, click text wrap. Okay, context, center, and press OK. And then when you minimize the column, your text will go down. It will not be hidden. Okay, so this is okay. This is quite okay. Now we have a quite a good table here, and from this table, what we will do now, we are going to create graph. Okay, we are going to create graph. Our main objective in this lesson is to create 5 graph. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for car price, down payment, trade-in, loan amount, trade-in price, loan amount, and monthly installment. So it goes to car price. We want to see the graph, who's the highest, what car price is the highest, which one is the lowest. Down payment, in my case, I mean, whatever it is, you can look at down payment payable or minimum down payment. It doesn't matter what. I just want you to learn. Doesn't matter which one is it that we are choosing. I just want us to learn how to create graph. Okay, in my case, I choose minimum down payment. Okay, and then we have trade-in price. Okay, for trade-in price, and then loan amount. Okay, where is it? Total loan and monthly installment. So what we will do here, we will add 5 more sheets. Okay, 5 more sheets, and then we will rename the sheets. Okay, let's do this. Car price. So I add one more sheet here. I will name it as car price. Okay, you just add more sheets and then you double click and you can rename to whatever name that you want and click anywhere outside there. Okay, so now we have car price. The next one is down payment. Add one more sheet, double click, car payment. Next one is trade-in price. Then we have what? The next one, we have loan amount and monthly installment. Loan amount. Another one is monthly installment. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets. Okay, what you can do now, okay, graph, mostly we focus on the number. Okay, you can create all the graph here, I don't mind that, but sometimes in the question paper or anywhere, you know, like me, I personally prefer to create graph on the other pages so that it will look better, you know, it will not look, it's easier, it looks better, neater and better. Okay, so this is what I do now after we added more sheets. Okay, now you have to be able to identify which one is your x axis and y axis. Okay, you have to know this is your y axis, the one that goes vertically is your y axis, and the one that goes horizontally is your x axis, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I left math long ago, but I am so sure that y is vertical and horizontal is x. Okay, so identify which one is your x and y. Okay, when you have a table, when you get instruction to create table, to create graph, okay, it's not necessarily that you will choose all information here. No, all the data that you have here. No. Okay, make sure you know which data that you want, so that or you have to create a graph which data that is needed so that you'll be able to create the graph. Okay, so in this case we want to see the car price. Okay, the car price. Okay, so let us see, we will choose this one and new car price. I will just copy this. Okay, copy, and let's go to car price. Let's paste it here. Okay, when you want to paste, there are lots of paste option. Okay, this one is with formula, this one is values, all these things. So as for me, I just choose the first one. Okay, so it comes out like this, and now I will delete the things that I don't need. Okay, so that will be easier for us to create the graph later. So now we have this. What I will do now, I will just select. You can just select also with the title, I don't mind, but you know, I like it this way, easier also. Select the information, the data, go to insert, and then usually if you want to compare something and you have only single data like this, okay, you choose column chart or a bar chart. Okay, you choose this type of chart. Okay, this and this. Okay, bar chart, column chart. Okay, pie chart usually is being used to compare percentage, and line chart is to compare, or this type of chart, okay, is to compare let's say compare information. Let's say if you want to see increment of number of students who passes, who passes exam, who get A, B, C from year 2000 to in certain subject from year 2000 to 2003 or 2005 or 2010. You use line, okay, to show the difference of the year. So right now we are going for the simplest one, okay, which is our bar chart, okay, column chart or bar chart. So after you highlight, insert, go to this, choose the simplest one, okay. I choose the simplest one right now because this is our beginner class. Later on we can go to a deeper thing, okay. So now we have our chart here. From here you can choose any type of chart example or sample you want. Okay, I'll choose this one, okay. Why? Because it looks simpler, and I hope you can see this. Okay, here are the chart element that you can add, okay. So we have our axis here, and then I would like to have axis title, okay, and then you can have legend too, but we don't have to put legend here because we have already car A, car B, car C, car D, car E. Unless if you want to change the chart type, go to this, we want something like this, okay. So I click OK. Okay, from here I change my chart type, okay. I can always put legend. We can have car A, car B, car C, okay. This is legend. Legend is to show the type of data that we have here. So what's the chart title? Car. Double click here, okay, price, okay. And then chart title, let me make this bigger, okay. Chart title, let's put caps lock. This is what? The car price. Okay. And this one is car type. Okay. I'm going to delete this. Okay, now we have this. Okay, bear in your mind, you can actually format your text here. So I click on car price, I go to home, okay. I want to make it, let's say 18 with dark blue, bold and underline. I want to bold this with different color, say dark red. This one also bold, dark red. Oh, I didn't bold it. Bold, okay, dark red. So now we have our chart all ready. It's done, okay. Okay, you can see here. I love the simplest one. Okay, so that because the main objective here is to see the difference. Okay, which one, let's say car A, car B, car C, which one has the highest and the lowest price. There are more type of chart here you can choose, okay. I'll stick to this. What else? Data labels, okay. This is good too, to show the figure. So we have one car price here, okay. And then you can try out for car payment, trade-in price, loan amount and monthly installment, okay. You can try it yourself, it's very easy, like I said. Okay, let's go to car payment. Okay, let's try to do for car payment. Now we have our cars here, car type, and then we want to go to minimum down payment. We want to select this and select this. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, it's very simple. How do we select, copy this and this only to the next sheet? Select offer, okay, and press Control key. Press Control key on your keyboard. Don't let the key go, and select minimum down payment. Okay, now you can let the Control key go. Now we are selecting these two columns together. Right click on the shaded area, copy. Okay, let's go to car payment. Right click and paste. There you go. Okay, that's how you do. So I delete one. I delete the row. I don't need it. Okay, now I'm going to select the car type and also the minimum down payment. Where do you go? Insert. This time let us try to do these charts. Okay, now I have these charts here, and I want it to be something like this. Let's add access title, data label. I don't need legend this time. Okay, so now we have chart title. Let's make it bigger. Oh my God, look like stingy, you know, everything so small. For someone who's big, let's make something big. Not that big, just enough. Okay, car payment. Its title is car type, and then for this, car payment. Okay. Oh, not car payment. You can put payment also. Or minimum down payment. Minimum down payment is good. Down payment. So tada, very simple. Okay, so in the beginning we just go for simple things. I hope this can help you. Go back and try out with this trade-in price, loan amount, monthly installment. Yeah, I'll paste this in I'll paste the link in YouTube also later, or in Edmodo. So that's it. I'm going to save this file now. I hope this file this video can help you. So ciao, chin ciao, bye bye, love you muchos.